Okay, so I have here the Sewtalent magnetic hoop, which if you're in the embroidery world and you haven't heard of this magnetic hoop, I am going to blow your mind. So it just finished this design. It's super easy to mount, and the mount is great. So you can see it's mount just like any other. I have the Brother sewing machine SE700, and it's compatible with that. It literally just mounts like any other embroidery hoop. So super easy to use there. It just comes out. So I'm gonna kind of walk you through some of the features here. Some of my favorite features are the fact that a regular embroidery hoop, like these ones, which, you know, are great, tend to stretch the fabric, and I get a lot more puckering on my embroidery designs. This is super easy to just, you lay down, and it comes with this. So you can kind of see, okay, my design's gonna be in the middle here, so on and so forth. This is the 4x4 hoop. But it's as simple as putting the magnets on. You wanna make sure that this part is in, but you just take them off. There's no embroidery hoop marks from it because it's just magnets. And it's as simple as removing the magnets, and you can make easy fabric adjustments if you need to move things along. Obviously, I'm already done, but it is so simple to place these magnets once your fabric is in place with your backing. So overall, super pleased with this Sewtalent magnetic embroidery hoop. And it really is the best. I will never go back. And it is very strong magnets. I've never had a problem with my fabric moving. I mean, they're not going anywhere. Like you really do have to kind of slide them off. I've never had a problem with them. When they're in my hoop, it stays in place. And then when you're done, you don't have those hoop marks, and it looks so good. So overall, super pleased. Would highly recommend if you haven't ever used a magnetic hoop. I'm gonna change your life. You're gonna love it, and you won't ever go back.